gosh. Look at that. So this is Moses, our fearless 22-month-old child. He's crazy. Look at that. That's like 5 feet high. Moses! Moses! Good job! Show me your better side. There you go.
You did it.
High five, buddy.
You gonna try to swing
Hi.
now?
High five.
Oh,
Give me high five. High five.
I don't think that's a good idea. Oh. You're okay. You're okay. You're okay. You got it.
You did so good.
High five, bud. Yeah. Yeah, you can help me mow the lawn.
Okay, you gonna slide down the slide?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Where are you going? Come on. Wow. Hey, Moses. Hi. Hi. I love you. Did you hear that, James? Oh. Say it again. I love you.